Ready to forge your own college football dynasty from scratch in College Football 25? Let's jump right into creating your custom team. From the main menu, navigate to the Team Management section. Look for an option like Team Creator or Custom Team. Select it to begin your journey. First up, the team name. Brainstorm something unique and memorable. Think about your team's identity and what kind of vibe you want to project. Type in your desired team name and confirm. Now let's pick your logo. You will likely have the ability to upload a custom logo or choose from a selection of pre-made designs if uploading. Make sure your image meets the size and format requirements if choosing from the library. Scroll through the options until you find one that resonates with your team's identity. Select it. Time to design your uniforms. This is where you can really get creative. Experiment with different color combinations, patterns, and fonts for the jersey numbers and lettering. Don't forget to customize your helmet as well. Pay attention to details to make your team stand out on the field. Let's build your home field advantage by customizing the stadium. You might be able to adjust features like the field color, end zone design, and even the stadium architecture. Choose colors and designs that complement your team's overall aesthetic. Create a stadium that will intimidate opponents. Once you're happy with your team's look, you can dive into roster management. You may have the option to customize player names, appearances, and even attributes to shape your team's identity. Allocate your resources wisely to build a competitive roster ready to conquer the gridiron. And there you have it. You've successfully created your own custom team in College Football 25. Now go out there and dominate the competition and build your dynasty. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more College Football 25 tips and tricks.